Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182 when you try to install the AMD software, the AMD driver for your GPU. So here, the brief description here, the AMD software installer detected AMD graphic hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. So possible cause there are three: embedded AMD Radeon graphic, legacy AMD Radeon graphics, and customized AMD Radeon for OEM systems. So for example, if you install the Adrenaline version on legacy AMD Radeon graphic or old AMD Radeon graphics is not work, because the legacy usually use the catalyst, not the Adrenaline. So the first one is embedded. You can visit AMD driver and support. Here you can try to search the embedded driver. You can click graphics, scroll down and choose Radeon embedded, and choose your embedded GPU, for example the HD series HD5770 embedded, then submit. Choose the operating system. Now you can try to download the AMD embedded GPU driver here. Next, the legacy. Here, if your GPU is listed as a legacy or old graphic card like this is the desktop version, this is the mobile version, and this is the APU. Here you need to install the legacy, the catalyst, for example Radeon HD A500 series, for example HD5770, submit. Here choose your operating system. Here we go, the Windows legacy driver, the catalyst software suite, the classic one, the catalyst, not the Adrenaline. And next, special for OEM system, you need you can obtain the driver from the OEM system builder or partner manufacturer official website. So for the list, you can go to this AMD partner list, so you can visit this partner website to obtain the driver. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.